Ito ang Kopa ng Pagsilang, ang Miguel Dizon Cup mula noon hanggang ngayon. More than a decade of football, joy, healthy competition, and a celebration of the birthday of Miguel Dizon. Sa pamumuno ng Dizon family at ni Mr. Francisco Dizon,
still one of my goals. Participation here is by invitation. There are no tournament fees, and it's really by invitation only. So there are many teams who have expressed interest in joining this tournament, as you can see, because we provide everything for them, from breakfast to all the drinks, ice cream.
sa tulong ng mga Futcaleros at ni Coach Peter Amores, na ilunsad ang first Kopa ng Pagsilang Miguel Dizon Cup noong 2010 sa Smoky Mountain Field of Dreams. And the rest is history.
Ganado kayo at yan ang importante sa lahat, na ganado kayo, masaya kayo, dahil ang football ay talagang napaka-gandang laro. Kailangan lang natin konting bola lang, konting lugar, pwede na tayong maglaro. So ito, inaalay ko yung tournament sa anak ko na kagaya rin ninyo, nag-isa na maliit pa. Ito talaga, kagaya niyan, meron din siyang mga pangarap, no? Ito, high school na siya rito nung kinuha itong litrato nito. So makikita ninyo, nakatingin siya kagaya nito sa taas. So kagaya ninyo, I think kailangan taasin natin yung ating pangarap. Kasi talaga, maraming pwedeng mangyari sa atin sa mundo nito. Hindi tayo nakapako kung nasaan tayo ngayon. Pwede tayong mangarap, pwede tayong tumingin sa taas, at pwede natin makamit yung ating gusto. So, yun na lahat. Gusto ko lang na mag-enjoy kayo ngayong araw nito. At matuto pa kayong maglaro ng mahusay na football sa mga darating na araw. Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat.
What's up everyone? So kasama ko ang mga players ng Santo Cristo FC. Anong feeling niyo naglalaro kayo sa Kopa ng Pagsilang?
Masaya! Masaya po! Magandang. Ano yan? Magandang maglaro!
Masarap maglaro, no? So walang kalaban dito, lahat kalaro? Walang kalaban, lahat kalaro? Bakit nabuo yung Kopa ng Pagsilang? Ulit nga.
Celebrate yung birthday ni
Ayan, si Miguel Dizon. So sineselebrate natin yung nakalagay dun sa pangalan mo. Ayan. So happy birthday Miguel Dizon!
Happy birthday!
Mahigit isang dekada nang nagbibigay ng kasiyahan ang MGD Cup para sa mga batang nagsusumikap taon-taon. Nagsimula sa 80 manlalaro at umabot sa mahigit 600 mga bata mula 8 hanggang 16 na taon.
Ayun na nga, no? Guys, ang dekada na ng Kopa ng Pagsilang at papunta na tayo sa field. At hintayin natin, magpunta tayo hanggang sa... Manit na tayo! Saan na tayo? So ngayon, nandito tayo sa Army. Ay, Navy. Army Navy. Autumn na, autumn!
Then, COVID-19 happened. Nahinto ang Kopa ng Pagsilang mula 2020 hanggang 2022 dahil sa COVID-19 pandemic. What's going on guys? So, Kopa ng Pagsilang is back and this is the 11th Kopa ng Pagsilang dito sa first time na ginawa namin sa artificial turf. So, we are having the registration dito sa area na to, and then by 9 AM we will start to do the event. And we have like U11 players, U13, U15 girls and U15 boys. And we invited teams like Payatas, FC Bilibid, Cainta, Santo Cristo, Tondo FC, and Mares, Eres, teams around NCR. So we're giving away foods, breakfast, uniforms, and this tournament is organized by Tondo FC and brought to you by the Dizon family to celebrate the life of their son, Miguel Dizon. It's free registration for all the players involved, for all the teams na maglalaro in this tournament. Cheers!
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, really wanna know.
This was a yearly football tournament pero nahinto dahil sa COVID. Ngayon, binalik na natin medyo tapos ng COVID. So, bilang paalala kay Miguel, dahil ito ang favorite sport ni Miguel, football. So, in honor and in memory, let's play well and do our best. Thank you.
So, the game are now starting and it's official that 11 Copa ng Pagsilang is now commencing here in this beautiful turf of Atleta 63 Bridgetown, Pasig City. They're enjoying a good weather, playing football, and later we have more surprises for them.
You got one life. Oh, oh, oh. You got one life. Oh, one life. Oh, we got one life.
Nakaikot na tayo sa football field. All the teams naglaro ng kanilang mga games na. And now it's almost lunchtime. Dumating na yung 2-piece chicken joy nila. Sino first timer dito sa Copa ng Pagsilang? Alam niyo yung next food in line na kakainin niyo mamaya?
Jollibee!
2-piece chicken joy.
First time!
2-piece chicken joy tapos may merienda pa kayo. Hulaan niyo yung merienda niyo.
Ano ka?
Shakey's Pizza. Pero hindi lang yon, meron pa. May ice cream. Itong football tournament na to is free for all the players, for all the teams, and syempre sponsored by the Dizon family to commemorate the life and to celebrate the life of their son, Miguel Dizon. We would like to thank, of course, Dizon family for doing this kind of event para sa mga bata. A lot of girls, a lot of boys are enjoying this wonderful day of football. Cheers!
2 hours later.
Wow.
sabay ah. Wala pa palampakin yun!
We come from different places, but we're the same. You see it in our faces. We love this game. We love this game, though it's not a game at all. We feel anticipation. We've got that burn. We've come for competition. We've come to learn. And from each other, we learn about ourselves.
Alright, Coach, pwede na tayo pumila for our pizza. Palakpakan niyo naman sa ninyo!
Alright, that's it. And 11th ko pa ng pagsilang is a wrap. So this is the Miguel Dizon Cup. In celebration of the birthday ni Miguel. So we just had a celebration na pizza party dito sa pizza house dito sa may Coriolis Tondo. And here are the boys. Some of the players and staff. Kawai, hey! Oh, Kawai! Kampay! Ay, si Kyle, oh. Oh, yan, si Kyle. SK! So that's it. That's it for this year. For this year ko pa ng pagsilang. So that's 240 kids na pinasaya natin. So hopefully by next time ulit, by next year, we can do it better and bigger ko pa ng pagsilang. Cheers!